Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Decency Graphics here again. So in my recent tutorial, I used mockup in the social media flyer and I had a comment like this saying as to show how I created the mockup. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can design the mockup by yourself, then use it in your flyer design. So stay tuned. Alright, so we are here in Photoshop. So as you can see, I have my mockup over here. So first of all, before you can be able to achieve what I did, you need to first of all have a screenshot of your phone or of your Instagram, any account you are using. I prefer Instagram, but you can use your Twitter, any you want. So first of all, the account you want to be using. So we come right here and per the mockup. I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can have the same mockup too. You come right here to replace your design. You get to this place. I'm not going to need all this, so I'm just going to delete them. Yes, so I'll hit on delete and delete these two. Yes, so I'm going to bring in my screenshots, just drag it straight to this layer. And one thing is that I don't want the home button and other screens to come out, so I like it perfectly like this. Just shape it a little, then I think it's okay. Just hit on Ctrl S to save it. Alright, it's now saved. So as you can see, we have it right here, but we just need only the phone. So what we are going to do is we are going to turn off the background layer, which there is nothing about though. So then we turn off this background. So now we have a PNG, but we don't need a text, so we turn off that one too. And also they added a highlight layer which gives the mockup kind of whitish, which we don't need, so I'll turn that one to off. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold Ctrl Alt then E to give me a merge layer of the design. So I'm going to have something like this. Yeah, so how to use it in a design per the design I did is very simple. So let's create a new layer. Okay, so I'm going to go for a normal 8 by 8 size inches. Yeah, then I hit on create. Yeah, I'm just giving you how it will look like. So now we have our canvas here. Let's come for our rectangle and let's draw a normal rectangle over here. Yeah, something like this. I don't really remember the exact code for that flyer though, but I remember it was a light green, I think. Yeah, so we'll change the color right from here. Either way you can use right from here, but I prefer using this side. So I think it was picked around this area. I think no, it was a little bit here. But let's see. Okay, something like this though. So then I'll come to my mockup. Alright, so I have this. I just drag this to my original work, scale it up. That is Ctrl T, and I'll scale it to the size and place I want to use it. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. So you can fix it right here. Stay blessed. I'm out.